Hey guys, it's party like it's 2017 in the crypto market. Is it time for a more severe market correction? Let's check it out. Last month was the best in the crypto market in terms of performance since December 2017. The market gained over 50% in a single month, to be more concrete, 58%. So, is it time for a correction? We'll discuss about it a bit later. But for the beginning, another observation. We saw actually that the altcoins started taking the lead in the last week of the month. And this shows us that the investors' appetite for the risk is actually increasing. This brings, of course, fresh demand to the market, and we believe it will propel the prices higher. But due to the fact that the market really had an enormous return in May, and this was followed actually after the very good performance throughout this year, we think that a correction would be actually healthy. Okay, this is a commentary for the May of 2019, but since we are already in June, we can see that the correction has actually already started. The market lost approximately 15% of its value in the matter of the last 5 days, and it will be interesting to see how this plays out. I said quite often lately that market pullbacks are really important. Why do I keep saying this? Basically, if we will not experience any serious correction for a longer period of time, we will occasionally witness a very strong pullback. And this is dangerous. Why? Because if the pullback is too strong and the prices fall too much, it brings out the old fears, that the bear market could continue actually. And this set the stage for the change of sentiment to the negative and actually could set the stage for the continuation of the bear market. So therefore, it is much better and healthier for the market to regularly correct. And we saw, as I said, in the last months, nice run-ups and occasional pullbacks, and this would be a preferable scenario for me because these shorter, smaller pullbacks cannot change the sentiment. It remains positive, and maybe this will be also the case this time. What also shows us that the sentiment is really positive and strong is the Binance hack. We all know what happened, so I will not go into detail about this, but on 7th of May, the Binance exchange was hacked, 7,000 Bitcoin was stolen, but what's really interesting, the market lost 4% of its value when the news broke out, and it managed to recover in just 2 days. Binance coin itself lost 12%, but recovered in 4 days only. So this shows that the sentiment is really strong, because if Binance would be hacked, for example, half a year ago, or maybe sometime in 2018, it would have a devastating effect on the prices, really. And make no mistake, we are in a bull market. These are corrections, and they present a good opportunity to enter the market at lower prices. And have in mind that, for example, we can expect a really big increase in demand in the next months. Traditional stockbrokers, the largest one in the US, like Ameritrade, E-Trade, and even we all know Fidelity, they're all preparing to offer cryptocurrency trading to their clients. In Japan, Yahoo Japan, Rakuten, one of the largest merchants, they're both launching their own crypto exchanges. So in the coming months, these players will enable cryptocurrency investing and trading for millions of new users, and there are also many other large businesses who are considering or even preparing to enter in the crypto economy. So definitely have this in mind when you are considering if you should make maybe an investment or make an additional investment. Don't get scared by the pullback. It's really funny because when the prices went up, many people said, okay, a pullback would be actually healthy, so we can enter at lower prices. But when the opportunity presented itself, like it is just now, people get scared and hesitant. So it's important to have in mind that we are in a bull market, and many positive things will come out in the next months, and pullbacks present a good buying opportunity. So this is it for today's market commentary. You can read more about it in our blog, so there is a more comprehensive comment, and also follow us on Twitter, where we regularly publish our views on the market. This is really the most up-to-date channel where we share our thoughts and ideas. Stay tuned.